In the heart of Central Africa's dense, misty rainforests lives a giant of incredible strength, but with a surprisingly gentle heart. This is the western lowland gorilla, the most widespread, yet also one of the most threatened of all gorilla subspecies. Today, we're journeying deep into their world to understand these magnificent creatures. Meet the western lowland gorilla, whose scientific name is gorilla. They make their home in the lush forests of Central and West Africa. The adult males, famously known as silverbacks, are truly impressive. They can weigh over 180 kilograms and possess a strength that's almost legendary. But don't let their powerful appearance fool you. These gorillas are remarkably peaceful, incredibly intelligent, and highly social animals. If you look into their expressive eyes, you'll see a deep emotional world, one that might feel surprisingly familiar to our own. Gorillas live in tight-knit family groups, often called troops, led by a single dominant silverback. He is the heart and protector of the group. His responsibilities are immense. He guards his family from threats, mediates any conflicts that arise, and makes all the key decisions, like where they'll travel for food and where they'll rest for the night. The bonds within the group are powerful and are constantly reinforced through daily activities like grooming, which keeps them clean and strengthens their relationships. Young gorillas, just like human children, learn through play, tumbling and chasing each other under the watchful eye of the adults. They also have a complex system of vocal communication, using grunts, barks, and hoots to stay in touch. For a gorilla, the family group isn't just important, it's their entire world. So what does a day in the life of a gorilla look like? Well, a lot of it revolves around food. Western lowland gorillas are primarily herbivores, enjoying a rich and varied diet. They spend their days foraging for delicious fruits, tender leaves, fresh shoots, and even tree bark. They are what you might call picky but plentiful eaters. This diet doesn't just sustain them, it sustains the forest itself. As they travel and eat, they disperse seeds throughout the rainforest, playing a crucial role in maintaining its health and biodiversity. In a very real sense, without gorillas, the entire structure of the forest would change. One of the most fascinating aspects of gorillas is their intelligence. They are among the smartest animals on the planet, capable of complex thought and communication. In the wild, they use a combination of gestures, facial expressions, and a wide range of vocalizations to communicate with each other. It's a rich and nuanced language. In fact, gorillas in captivity have famously learned sign language, allowing them to communicate directly with humans and express complex ideas and feelings. They show empathy for one another, they grieve their losses, and they experience joy. These gentle giants serve as a powerful reminder of how deeply connected we are to the animal kingdom and the natural world around us. Despite their immense strength and intelligence, western lowland gorillas are in grave danger. They face severe threats that are pushing them towards the brink. Habitat destruction, driven by logging and agriculture, is shrinking their forest homes at an alarming rate. Poaching for bushmeat and the illegal pet trade continues to be a devastating problem. And diseases, particularly the Ebola virus, have wiped out huge portions of their population in recent decades. As a result, their numbers have declined dramatically, making conservation efforts more urgent than ever. When we work to protect gorillas, we are also working to protect the vast, life-giving rainforests they call home. And in the end, protecting these forests is about protecting our planet and ourselves. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of the western lowland gorilla. If you found this story as moving as we did, please like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the wild. See you next time.